Hello, my name is Lo Li Ting, and this is my EM2 statistic presentation. Starting off, the topic or claim I have chosen is Polytechnic students spend about $5 on a meal in school. This is the article I found mentioning about how students in Polytechnic spend about $4 to $6 on a meal in school. Since it is a range, I will just take it as $5. Now, before I move on, I would like to say that the data that are shown here are collected through conducting an online survey asking 34 random people in TP, asking how much do they spend on a meal in school. This is a graph, and this is the survey that I did. With 34 data collected, I'll then add into the sample size column here. I can also use the count formula, counting from 1 all the way to 34. And then I will then find the sample mean by using the equals average formula, counting from 1 to 34 as well, giving me the answer of $6.26. Moving on to find the sample standard deviation using this formula and dragging from 1 to 34 as well, giving me the answer of 1.082. I then work out the t-test value using sample mean minus nu divided by sample standard deviation over square root of sample size, giving me the answer of this. And for the p-value, since I believe it is a one-tilt test, I will then be using this formula. 1 minus t dot dist and using the t-test value, comma 33, comma true, giving me the answer of this. And since it is lesser than the p-value of 0.01, I would then have to reject it, of claiming Polytechnic students spend about $5 on a meal in school. Next, I use 95% confidence level as it is the most common significance level used in hypothesis testing, giving me the number of 0.05 for significance level. And for the margin of error, I use the confidence.t formula with the significance level value, sample mean, and sample standard deviation value, giving me the answer of this. Let's say I use sample mean minus margin of error. And for the other value, the maximum value, I use sample mean plus margin of error, setting both values $5.89 and $6.64. With these two values, I can conclude that Polytechnic students spend about $5.89 to $6.64 on a meal in school. With that, I am done with my presentation. Thank you.